Welcome to the first solution around the D365 for housing. It's the first one that's going to be a proof of concept to see how well the system works, and of course we're a better place to start than the property. We have, once you've installed the solution into your Dynamics 365 instance, you'll see here you get the properties, a little icon there, and that's obviously going to sit in the customer service hub. What I would advise though is that obviously you thoroughly test this, or you put it into a trial instance to see if you like it first before you even go any further. It's pretty low impact, it's all out of the box stuff, so it shouldn't cause you too many troubles, but always worth having a look. And I thought I'd do this video as well just so you could have a look around and just get a feel for what it will look like once you put it into your instance. So on the first page here you can see you've got the general information about the actual property, and all these fields were built using the hacked plan maintenance data model. A lot of the information was taken from there, so you can see obviously the floor it's on, any plot information, the district and borough, but what I've also done is add a view of the customer. So this is literally just a look up to the contact record. You may call it person or customer within Dynamics, and then that allows you to add anyone who's a current or previous tenant into this area here. We've also got alerts. Again, these are property alerts which you can add multiples of, along with any comments and then when they were last updated. The personal alerts, although they've been added onto the actual property record, you can obviously add these onto the customer record, and then they can pull through, but it's just for information. In the next tab is certificates. So we've got again electrical certificates here, when it was valid from and to, and who actually, so this again is a link to the account entity within Dynamics, but it allows you to go off and find the company who created it or completed the actual cert, and obviously if it's a person or someone internal, a user, you can then obviously change this to suit those needs. And again with the gas, you've got the cert number, valid from, valid to, and who completed it. And again you can run reports and all of this, so everything you see within Dynamics, if there's a date field there for example, you can run all sorts of reports, so you'll know what's coming up in the next 6 months or was done last year, whatever it might be. You've got a lot of information there. The next is the environmental impact. So yeah, all the sort of key stuff about how environmentally friendly the property is. You've got a bit of location information there as well. So this is a Google Place ID and the longitude and latitude there, which may be useful further down the line. That was a very whistle-stop tour, but what it does do is allow you then to start adding more detail onto the property. So if you just wanted to add a note to say we've received a certificate, for example, you can add that there. And use it like any other entity within Dynamics. If you want to then link it perhaps to other entities within Dynamics, so you could use it to link to the opportunities if your sales team use it. You could link it through to leads if you use them maybe to hold information about applicants. But there's lots of potential you can do when you've got this entity installed, and we'll look at doing more and more of those types of solutions as we move forward.